Namaskar friends, welcome to Spirit Word channel. Oxytocin, also called love hormone, can be found in a different variety of food, especially the one containing vitamin D, vitamin C, magnesium and dietary fats. Fatty fish, mushrooms, peppers, tomatoes, spinach, avocados and many more. What is oxytocin? Oxytocin is considered our love hormone because this hormone is increased when we hug and feel intimate with others. Especially for women, oxytocin helps with bonding between mother and baby. Overall, oxytocin contributes to our emotional well-being, and there are things we can do to increase our feel-good hormones. Certain nutrients help increase oxytocin production. Vitamin D helps production of oxytocin. The first nutrient is vitamin D, also considered the happy vitamin. This is because there has been a link between depression and vitamin D levels. Low vitamin D levels have been seen in those who have depression. Sunshine is also a source of vitamin D, which has been shown to increase happiness. Not only is vitamin D a nutrient, but it is also a pro-hormone. A pro-hormone helps to activate other hormones. Vitamin D is a pro-hormone to oxytocin, serotonin, and vasopressin. There are 3 brain hormones that affect social behavior. Vitamin D is needed to produce enough of these hormones in our body. There are many ways to increase your vitamin D. For example, taking in some sunshine daily. Increasing your intake of fatty fish, mushrooms, eggs, or fortified foods. Vitamin C produces oxytocin too. Another nutrient that helps manage levels of oxytocin is vitamin C. Vitamin C helps produce oxytocin. Vitamin C can be found in most fruits and vegetables, such as pepper, citrus fruits, tomatoes, and broccoli. Magnesium, an important mineral for oxytocin. Magnesium is used in the body for muscles and nerve function and many other processes in our body. Magnesium is required for the receptor of oxytocin to function well. A receptor helps with proper function of hormone in our body. Magnesium-rich food include spinach, pumpkin, avocado, and dark chocolate. Body need dietary fat to create hormones. Eating a variety of fats, even saturated fat and cholesterol, help with hormone production. Many have claimed cholesterol is not good for us when in fact our body needs it. Cholesterol can be found in fatty fish, seeds or nuts. These foods are healthy choice to keep our cholesterol in a good range. Symptoms of lack of oxytocin. There can be some signs to show that oxytocin is not performing optimally in our body. Some symptoms can include a lack of interest in social interaction, difficulty in communicating with others, or feeling low emotionally. Since oxytocin is a social hormone, we see changes in our social interaction when oxytocin is low. Oxytocin can also be affected with stress. When you are stressed, your cortisol level go up and oxytocin level go down. Managing stress is a critical part of keeping hormones healthy. Other happy hormones include dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins. Dopamine is a hormone that is a part of our brain's reward system. It is released during pleasurable situations such as creating relationship or learning something new. This hormone causes you to seek out the pleasure feeling over and over again. Serotonin, Another one of our hormones helps to regulate our mood, sleep, appetite, digestion, learning ability, and memory. Lastly, our feel-good hormone include endorphins. Endorphins are produced in response to stress or discomfort, and their purpose is to reduce the feeling of stress and increase pleasure. We have all heard how working out increase our endorphins, and this is why. Eating well and keeping your stress level down can help improve oxytocin level and increase these feel-good hormones. Keeping oxytocin levels and other happy hormones high required a daily effort. The fastest way to increase oxytocin levels. Physical touch is one of the fastest way to increase oxytocin levels. So remember to hug your loved one tight. Relationship building can also assist oxytocin level even by making eye contact or shaking hands. Fun fact: even playing and hugging your pet increase oxytocin levels. Exercise is a great way to keep stress down and oxytocin level up. When you need a little boost up in happiness, try taking a walk outside where you can increase your heart rate and absorb some vitamin D. A healthy diet can go a long way in keeping you happy as well. Increase your intake of vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin C to help in the production and function of oxytocin and other hormones. A fun recipe to try can be an avocado chocolate pudding. The magnesium is the dark chocolate helps with your oxytocin receptor, and healthy fat in the avocado helps to produce your hormone. Look for fun Valentine's Day recipes to keep your hormone healthy and you happy. So friends, hope you would like these informations. Write your opinion in comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in next video. Till that, goodbye.